And today it's a very exciting day. I'm about to show you guys my new wheel setup that I got for my G. If you guys been seeing my channel lately, you guys know that I wrap my other wheels different color, but today this is not clickbait. I actually bought new wheels and I'm gonna show them to you guys today. I've been wanting these wheels for a while now, couldn't find the right specs, and I finally found them. Alright guys, I'm about to show you guys my new wheel setup. I hope you guys like them, and if not, oh well, they're my wheels and I love them. But yeah, I went with these wheels and I'll show you them right now. Alright. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I went with the Work BSKFs. You guys check them out. They flow perfect with the car. So there is a couple of modifications I had to do before I put them on, because I was test fitting them. And I mean, they're on there, no spacers at all. So these are 19 by 12, -22 offset. And right now, as you guys can see, I'm sitting on my tire, and I'm gonna have to pull this a little bit out so it could be fender to lip. I do want fender to lip, so I'm just gonna have to pull it just a little bit more, and I should be able to be there, get there. But you guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about these 19 by 12s, 19 by 10 plus 2 offset on the front. And on the front, since I'm running carbon fiber fenders, they actually fit on there pretty darn tight. So since these are carbon fiber fenders, there's no way to roll these or to wind them up and stuff like that. So what I actually had to do was take off the wheel and trim the inside of the carbon fiber. Yeah, I know that sounds painful, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And look at this, it's like the lip is sitting right on the carbon fender. These specs are nearly perfect for the G. But yeah guys, like I said, these specs are perfect for the G, because I no longer have to run spacers. The rims fit on there perfectly. As you guys can see from the back, they are humongous. They're like sticking out of the car just a little bit. Once I get that, the body pulled is gonna sit over there, so it's not like so crazy looking. But yeah, it's looking super wide. Couldn't be any more satisfied. I was looking for these wheels for a while, like this, like the Works. I was looking for them for a while, but I couldn't find the right specs. Luckily I found them and right away had to cop these. I don't regret getting them. They're fucking beautiful. Just love how it looks. Gave my car a whole different look. For now, I'm just gonna keep the wheels like this, but maybe in the future I'll switch it up color wise. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about these wheels. Look at how wide these are. These lips, the front lips are 5-inch lips. Huge. These lips are humongous. In the back, my favorite 7-inch lips. You guys can see how wide they are. Big lip. This is my shoe. But yeah, guys, these lips on the back are huge. 7-inch lips. Fucking love them. But yeah, guys, this is my new wheel setup. Let me know what you guys think. And like I said, I'm still working on the back, but the front is pretty spot on. Right on it. I really can't go any wider because I'll probably end up cracking these carbon fenders, and I don't want to do that. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you guys didn't like the video, I guess unlike the video. But I would like you guys' feedback. But these wheels are so clean. I fucking love how they look. Look at that. Front fitment on check. Rear fitment, still working on it, but it looks so beautiful. I will be doing another video pretty soon. Sorry for the delay. I've been busy with work and stuff. I've been caught up trying to fit these wheels too. So yeah, I will be putting up more videos, so stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for watching. Till the next one, peace.